Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to enable and disable one-hand keyboard on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. For those with small hands or anyone who has a Mammoth Pro Max, an easy-to-use one-handed keyboard is critical. This feature makes the keys smaller and pushes them closer together so that you can type one-handed on any iPhone. The one-handed keyboard is designed to make typing easier when using your iPhone with just one hand. However, if you find that it's not for you or if it's causing issues while typing, you can easily turn off this feature. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, scroll down again and tap Keyboard. Now you'll see the one-handed keyboard option. Just tap on it to disable the one-handed keyboard feature on your iPhone. Simply tap and select off. But if you want to enable it, set it your right or left of your screen, whatever is easy for you and how you like to use it. Tap on it and it will be enabled. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.